I've been waiting to ask you this, but...
Yes!
I like you. Blush. I like you, or...
I like you too!
I don't know what to say. It is unbelievable. But would you marry me?
Oh my god!
See, guys, that is a virus. That should not be happening. And I can cure it. This little rat figured it out. Look at that. She's like, hey, guys, look what I did. Why? My legs. Remove my life, please.
Oh my god. Let's just take it a little slower.
He just got rejected. A private messenger saying you are dead. She said, why? So the first contestant for guess the word or lose your limbs. That's the name of the game show. Okay, so the word is cat, but at the same time, people could guess rat, sat. I wish for this game's downfall every single day. I pray for it every night before bed that this game just gets deleted. They already deleted the thumbnail. Just delete the rest of the game. This guy doesn't play Roblox anymore. He hasn't logged in probably like a year. He just has like a million games. Every single day, I feel pain knowing that I will never have a game as big as this. I still do hope she logs on this account because I have literally sent you guys to say mean things to her, and you probably did. The chat, have you seen my dog? Oh no. No, I haven't. I don't know. Fat mother. I mean, none of us are cursed. The girl that just died got cursed again. She just has really bad luck. Shut. Shut. This is me doing the fat up. No, not me. Not me, right? Not me, not me. Please, not me. I'm mad. You the dead girl is already dead. Yes, you. No. Her. No! Answer it correctly, guys. Please. I'm gonna Google it. Now ready to die. I'm round, small, and shiny. Squall's mom. If you got enough, you can exchange me for stuff. Coin. Yes. Ha! Owned. Get out of here. I win. I win. Ha 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 ha. No. Take the L. Take the big fat L. The chat. Stooped. No, wait. I'm glitched. Look, see that girl jumping right over there? That's me. I'm fully dead. I can only see myself from a distance now. No, they have actually defeated me. Are you? No, I am nobody on this earth. This is rude. Now deal with it. I like it. There we go. Finally, some supporters. Some supporters of the non-supporting of Albert. Was this guy okay? Can I kiss you? No. What? How are you doing this, sir? This is like those mechanical bulls. This guy is the master of them. He's doing the hype dance over my dead body, my dead, bleeding, fresh body, and I really appreciate that. Is it just me or hanging on these heads is fun? Oh my god! This is the dance floor. My dead body, dance with me. You know, make sure everyone's doing okay. If not, they just oh my god. Your money is taking to my mom. Hey, that's a heart. Stop doing that. Run me alive. No, nobody lives. You live. Only with one leg, though. Hey, guys, what are you doing? You mind if you leave some room for me? There goes it. We've snatched. Ah! All right, that's it. You weren't supposed to scream. You too. All right, let's just see if anyone has anything to say. Your mom is taking to my mom. Your mom is taking to my mom. No, don't take mom. Stop. Stop taking mom now. You made me lose one of my missiles. You are nothing. Bro, who said that? You nothing. Look, you're dead now. Dad Gamer says, stop!
Hey, get down from there. That's disrespectful.
Beep! Yes, Sophie. That's psych. Oh, God. Later. Later. All right, let me just light up this house a little bit just so it kind of smells like death for the next person that moves in. All right, hey, I see a heart. I see a heart in the distance. Get rid of that. Hey, I said stop. Let me just try to blast this girl's leg off. Let me just, oh, sorry, sir. There, we just got your hair. Why me? Why me? You know, I really like this. I like this new update that they did. I'm sure you guys can get pretty, hey, I was about to say, I'm sure you guys can get pretty creative. All right, we're self-destructing. There we go. Eject button. Legs, sis. My legs! The shit.
What is going on here?
Fix them. 1 sec. I'll get your legs back. All right, I gotta build her some like wooden stick legs or something. I gotta do something about this. I gotta give the winners something. What's the fun in watching a competition if the winners don't get a prize? He legs! I was trapped! Suck! No, wait, don't reset. Look. No! But I made you these pig legs! I made you wooden legs! No, get off that. That's her legs. Some people are so ungrateful. I saved her life from this crazy test. And she's that ungrateful? Grab my hand! Yoink! Grab my hand, please! Fast! Yoink! That was the same person. Which of these states is Kaden not? I know he's been to California and Florida. What did I do last time? Nevada? Colorado. Stop! We are cute! What? Thank you, that is all! Meeting is dismissed. Go patrol the base. I get your mother? Hey! No! Wow, buff man alert!
Goo goo dada.
Alright, that person seems to have a strong grasp of the English language, so I'm gonna put him to the test. Let me just rebuild what I have destroyed. Alright, so since that last girl did it, with kind of like ease, to be honest. Yeah, she was panicking for her life and all. But, yeah. Well, oh my God! Stop! This disgusting creature. I want to stomp on this. I hate that. Ow! What the? Muhammad sent his boys out. They just kicked me out like that. But in front of you, the fame got to his head. About to start screaming. No! He can't be saved. Stop it! No, why are you going back? I see why camping games always have so many people playing it. Because for me, it's like I play it once through. I'm done. I don't need to play anymore. It takes these people at least 30 tries to get through one that's easy like this. He can't figure out why staying at the monster keeps killing him. Oh no, the monster!
The monster's actually bad.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my homeboy. He doesn't seem to be appearing. Hey, wait, that guy's back. No, over here. Over here. Come on. No, he left. He couldn't figure it out. He was that close. He was there about this close. But that far, mentally.
Guessing letters.
Look, do you want that lady to see you get your limbs ripped off of you? I didn't think so. Now guess. Hey, trucker boss, you want to help her out? Bleep! She's having a little bit of a mental breakdown. She don't like letters too much. I know the answer. What? Guess. Bleep! Mario. Yeah, it's No! Loogie! Is that what Loogie? Help! Help! Walug! Help! No, I think the answer to the psychopath, sociopath test, if I take one, it's right here. Coin! That guy? The guy with the W on his head? That's coin. Yoink. I said yoink. I said yoink. Stop. Oh my god, that almost killed me. All right, so I could really do it this time. Me being slower helps me. No! I genuinely didn't mean to. Okay, flashlight. See, I had to get down to get my flashlight. I'm a police officer. I have a flashlight. All right, so one thing that I can do is I can... No! You live a good life. No, I didn't.
The biggest twist.
No! No way. I love the people who like play Survivor Eviction Notice and they won't say a word up until the last moment when they're getting voted out. They're like, I hate you!
Screaming as they leave, just clinging to the staircase.
Climb the obstacle or die, idiots! Look, they're just designing their characters. Stop, you're going to die. We got a guy. Hey, man. Ed Bloxburg. Look, you just gave birth to a child. Look, that's your baby. And your baby just RKO'd you and just actually died as well. Oh, yeah, good going. Let me step on the red spike. Cleo, you will be the first to die. Play Crate 1 stacking up award. Yeah, I'm stacking up torture and pain for people. Die. Why don't you? Whatever, man, I will.
Ugly.
With my hands, I broke his jaw.
That's not what happened. I pressed reset. What? This guy has been silent for the past 2 minutes and just has been like,
Mike, what are we gonna do?
oh my god, say something, Mike. It was you. Fat is here. Fat. Hey, Fat. Guys, stop! Stop it! Man, it's a grocery gang show! It's grocery gang! Be thin! Fat! Okay, he got banned. Thank you. Oh! Do you want me to rip more arms off? Guess. Come on, it's easy.